Guys, welcome back to my channel. Audrix here, back with another video, and today we are playing a game called Brawl Stars. Now I've been playing this game for a while. I think you guys can tell with the amount of cards I have. But yeah, so the mission of this video is unlocking this new character called Bo, and apparently he's powerful, something like that. So we're gonna do. There's many modes. Hot zone is capture the flag. Gem grab is how it sounds. Gem grabs. Brawl ball is basically football. Sage is fighting. But I like to do the showdown. We're gonna do a duo showdown. So we'll have a teammate in our team and we'll have to basically win. But if I suppose I get killed, but my teammate's still alive. So if he stays alive for 12 seconds, then I will respawn. You'll see in the game. So let's see. This is our teammate. I think the character's name is Rosa. The character that he's controlling. My character name is Dynamite. He's like pretty hard to unlock and he's pretty powerful at the same time. So he's pretty hard to unlock. Why wouldn't he be hard? Okay. I have some good range, as you guys can see. Where the white circle is how much my range can go till. I am gonna just basically try and get some big kills. Wait, my teammate's dead. Oh, I need to run. I basically need to run. Because if I die, the game ends. See, it says 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And see, my teammate respawned. So like if you stay in the time limit, your teammate respawns. Luckily I survived that. Otherwise I'd be dead. He's gonna hide here in this little bush, and he can't be spotted in the bush unless a character also goes in the bush. Only then he'll be able to spot you. Yeah, yeet! Oh, that yeet! Oh my god, oh no. Wait! Oh no. Oh no. Come on. My teammate's back! Yes! Let's go! Come on, defeat them! End it! Yes, now she's just gotta kill that last guy. Kill her. What is wrong with you? I mean, we came second place. So we got 7 trophies. And by unlocking trophies, you also you unlock levels with which you get next goals and all. Oh, we got a mega box. Let's go. So what do we get? Okay, so we can upgrade our Shelly. Shelly is like the character you start with. She's gonna become a power 6. I'm gonna use my Poco. So basically, he also has a special ability. So he uses a guitar to attack, but like his special ability is he heals his teammate and himself. So that's a pretty good ability. So like if we both are low, he'll just heal us by like 1,000, which is insane. So we're gonna play some matches, not a lot, because we don't want this video to be long and not end at all. So yeah, we're gonna play some matches. My internet is making me lag, which is not a good sign while recording a video. Yeah, I don't have that good internet. But yeah, let's continue playing. This is a mobile game, free for Android. I think if it's free for and see, you saw that green. When it's green, that means I healed. When it's non-green, means I didn't heal. See, it just showed 4,200. That's how much I healed. Okay. You can't mess with that. Bruh, run. You better run, boy. Or you're gonna die. Let's go. Don't collect the gems. Wait for me to spawn. Because then I would have gotten some of the gems too. But apparently this guy did not share. Bruh, you only hit that much. You could still be in the bush. Yeet. Thought I hit there something there for a second. Oh, I want that. No, I deserve it. Yeet. Where are these guys? I deserve it. No, I want it. No! You butt face. I'm gonna have to follow him now. I don't think he... Oh my god, that's where they are. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, that was easy. We won! How long is the video? Okay, 5 minutes are done. Okay, 5 more minutes, which is like 2 more matches, which is really weird. Because we need to unlock Bo in this video. I want to like do some leveling up out of recording so I can show you guys when I unlock it. But I think you guys will then say that I'm cheating. But I really want to do that. Like, I will level up till here, I guess, and then I can continue. Okay, maybe we'll get Bo in the next episode. I don't know. I like using Poco a lot. You guys can use any of your characters. I highly recommend all of them. They're all good. But Poco, after this video, after this match, let me just tell you a little bit about the stats. So if you download this game, you know all about the players and which one is good. You need to unlock these guys, though. It's not easy. You don't just ask for it and get it. Also, they've updated the game and there's this new character called Gray. So it throws out snow, okay? And it's pretty insane. I'm just gonna let her fight it out. Just joking. No, not joking. I'm out of here. No, I can't leave my teammate alone. Come back here. Stop taking out my teammate, guys. Look, I heal myself back over here. Full health. What did I say then? Full health. Oh my god, ouch, I'm taking damage. Okay, she needs help. She didn't know how to play. What are you doing? I think this character that I'm with is new. I can't. I simply can't. Give me the shit. Sorry, I'm calling it the shit if I didn't do it. It makes it dark. I like to call it the shit because it makes you like really powerful and a lot of energy. So I just like to call it. Now I have 3 minutes to record a 10-minute video, but if you want, I don't think you guys would want that long of a video, so I'm not gonna record for that long. I've not been recording for a while because my app's been going crazy, and for some reason it just stops recording randomly. And yeah, I forgot to tell, my Minecraft server that I made got deleted somehow, so I'll have to restart my Minecraft world, but I decided not to because I'm gonna be getting a maybe on my own PS4. So what I can do is I can start recording on that instead of on the phone, because on the phone it's not easy. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that. It's currently quarantine, right? So like yeah. I think this is gonna be the last match that we're gonna play. I don't know. Tomorrow, but if we record another video, then it's probably gonna be us unlocking Bo. We'll try our best. Come on! Oh my god! Help! People's just standing here. Yeah! Okay, that didn't work. Yeet techniques didn't work, but that did. And look, she just collects with them. I do the fighting and she does the collecting. Like, that's not fair. I don't want to heal you after what you did. Bro, we know you're in the bush. You can run, but you oh, I'm grabbing the shake. The power of the shake, yo, young. The power of the shake, yo. Ding. Oh no, I died. What is she doing? Just run. Run away. Don't make my last round look horrible. Wait 5 seconds. Chill for 5 seconds. Stop just going for him. Batman. Or Poco. I don't know. His name is Poco. That's why I'm calling him that. I've not named him randomly. Oh no, I messed up. Kill him. How's she the one not scared? But Okay, we came third, but like we get some gems at least. Okay, but I feel like doing one last match, not gonna lie. Cause that and you always wanna end with a victory, so we're gonna do one last match and then we're gonna actually I feel like for this last match we should do a solo. Yep, we're trying it. For the last match, we're going on solo, so we don't have a teammate. We die. So I'm gonna have to be sneaky about this one. Oh no. Oh my god, he made me waste it. Don't mess with me, boy. Sorry, I'm saying yeet if you guys don't like it. I'm just saying it like that. Oh no, I definitely saw movement. And she can probably take me on. She's powerful. Not really. No, please, spare me. So we lost that round. It's not easy, to be honest with you. So guys, hopefully you'll enjoyed this video. Tomorrow I'll record more. If you guys want it, leave a like. And we will see you all later. Wait! I needed to tell you the stats real quick. Shelly is like the first character you get. You can upgrade her power with power points and all. You just get them randomly. Her special ability is nothing, I think. She just launches more shots. Nita is basically a bear person. Her special ability is that she can summon a bear. Colt is basically like a old sheriff. So he shoots a lot of bullets, and his special ability is like a lot of bullets at once. Bull, which if you guys saw in the match, like you could see a guy, you get different skins for him. Like this guy, he basically shoots. He's basically like a musketeer. His special ability charges. Jessie, her special ability is, you see this dog over here or thing that shoots at other players. So she summons that and then it shoots. Brock is basically like a rocket launcher guy. It looks like a quad launcher from Fortnite, but yeah. His special ability shoots a lot of rockets at once. Sorry if I'm speaking too fast. Dynamite, he is a guy who throws bombs, and his special ability is a giant bomb. El Primo, he's like a sumo wrestler, basically like John Cena. His power move is he jumps, kicks you. Barley, he throws poison at you, and his special ability is throwing way more poison. Poco, that I told you about, Rosa, her special ability, she gets stronger and gets like a thing over her head, this thing, and she gets like way more powered. Full Daryl, his special ability comes by itself, by the way. You don't need to do things to get it. His special ability, he starts rolling like a wheel. So that's all my characters. Hopefully you all enjoyed, and I will see you all later. Bye.